Woohoo! How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Cyberpunk Tech, where technology never sleeps. Andre here, as usual, and it so seems that outside it is starting to be like fall, which means pumpkin spice everything is in the air to bring people together. But do you guys know what else brings people together? The Bob Marley Get Together Mini. Alright guys, so this is the Marley Get Together Mini from the Marley Get Together sound lineup, and I am so amazed by the quality and the build of the speaker to begin with. First of all, the whole thing is made out of recyclable material. You've got the nice bamboo finish here. Here it's just a fabric on top. Actually, to me it looks like close to a denim, not quite, but you've got the buttons over here on top. Two woofers, you got two smaller tweeters, and even on the back you got a Marley design, basically a subwoofer. Now for connectivity, again, you just have Bluetooth, and yeah, you can pair up two of these. What is very nice, you have two modes of charging this thing. You've got just a regular USB as well as a micro USB, and of course auxiliary in. Now this guy goes for about $150 to $200, which is definitely a bargain for how good this thing sounds. Just up to last video, I reviewed the UE Mega Boom, I believe it was, and that was my favorite speaker. But then I picked this guy up because first of all, this thing looks beautiful, so that's why I picked it up actually. And it knocked my socks off, especially because I do like a little bit more crisp bass, and this is what this thing provides. Overall, I do think it sounds better than the UE Ultimate Ears Mega Boom. The only thing that the Mega Boom has over top of this, aside from a much steeper price point, is that one's got about somewhat like 360 surround sound sort of thing, and it is dustproof and waterproof, while this one isn't. But it's just meant to sort of just nicely sit over on a desk or on a shelf and just look super classy. Like, it looks very nice if you carry it around with you. But yeah, it's got some rubber feet here on the bottom, so there's no slipping. And just like every other Bluetooth speaker review we have done here, it is time to do the sound test. I will do the sound test of the original song that we've done all of our songs on. Again, just for accurate representation, so you guys can go back to the other videos and check them out. But before we do that, if you guys enjoy this content, please consider subscribing to the channel, like my content, and follow me on social media, Twitter and Instagram specifically. And then I think I will leave you guys off with some classic Bob Marley stuff while you guys also check out the rest of how the speaker looks. Let's move on to the sound test. Okay guys, so right now we're just going to turn this bad boy on. And just like always, we're going to play our catchy skag beats just to see how it sounds. And this thing gets super, super loud. There you guys have it. That sounds super crisp. The bass is really, really rich. The sound overall is superb quality. And again, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I would definitely appreciate that. Consider subscribing because it is free. And of course, I will leave you guys off with some traditional Bob Marley. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll catch you in the next video.